U.S. stocks, they rebounded from their lows, but were still in the red Tuesday amid ongoing worries over the future of the Fed's bond buying policy. Now, on the economic front, the U.S. trade deficit, that widened less than expected in April to $40.3 billion. Economists polled by Reuters expected the trade deficit to rise to $41 billion for the month of April. Meanwhile, focus today was also overseas as Japan's Prime Minister Shinzo Abe will be making a speech on growth strategy Wednesday amid reports from the Nikkei that the Bank of Japan will soon be left with no room to purchase REITs and that many investors are hoping the Bank of Japan raises the ceiling at its two-day policy meeting starting next Monday. And with oil prices steady at just under $93.50 a barrel and the euro remaining little changed against the dollar at $1.3082 and the lack of major economic releases, it looked to be another down finish for the Dow Jones this Tuesday. Speaking of which, taking a look now to see how the Dow Jones has closed out today's trading session. The Dow on the downside, 76.87 points to settle in at 15,177.16. In a breakdown of today's major market movers, we first begin with shares of Apple, which did trade higher on reports that the company was getting closer to unveiling its streaming radio service. Zynga edged higher today, just one day after the social video game network maker said that it plans to cut 520 jobs, or about one-fifth of its workforce, in an effort to reduce cost. And General Motors also got a lift on news that the automaker will be rejoining the S&P 500 index, replacing H.J. Heinz, which is being taken private.